Welcome to this MeetingBooster video tutorial that introduces you to the functionality surrounding the meeting series. In this tutorial, we'll cover how to create, access, and utilize the meeting series feature. You'll also learn how to associate past and present and even future meetings to a meeting series, and locate meeting or task information that is associated to a specific meeting series. The meeting series is a way of grouping together meetings that happen on a regular occurrence. These meetings often have the same group of attendees and often follow the same topic. For example, the executive committee, heads of department, IT department, and sales team. The meeting series is made up out of several parts, beginning with the details of the meeting series, where the organizer of the meeting series can invite different members to be a part of this meeting series. The organizer can simply use the Add Member icon, keyword search, or select from the list below to add the members. The organizer can also give the access for meeting attendees to have the ability to create meetings for this meeting series. The meeting series will also contain any meetings that have been associated to this meeting series and the full list of any tasks that have been associated during those meetings. This makes it easier for the meeting attendees and the meeting organizers to review any past meeting minutes and tasks associated to this particular meeting series. To associate a meeting that you're currently organizing to a meeting series, in the Details section of this meeting, simply select under the meeting series what meeting series you'd like this to be a part of. You'll notice once you select that meeting series, it will automatically add all of the members of that meeting series to this meeting. This is a great way of ensuring that all the relevant members of this meeting are in attendance. To associate a past meeting with a meeting series, simply select the Past Meetings section on the left-hand side, and then toggle under the Meeting Series item between the different meeting series to allocate that meeting to the meeting series. Welcome to this MeetingBooster video tutorial on how to create a new meeting series. In this tutorial, we'll review the meeting series feature and the ability to create a new meeting series, allocating a meeting series organizer and meeting series attendees. When first implementing MeetingBooster into the organization, it's important to identify any meetings that are happening on a regular occurrence. Meeting series is a great way of grouping together those meetings by topic or by type. To create a new meeting series within the MeetingBooster online portal, simply select under the meeting series the new series item. Here we go to the Details section of the meeting series, where we can define the name of our meeting series. In this example, we'll call it the Senior Leadership Team. Define the organizer, and then start to add new members to this meeting series. I can keyword search by the name or toggle on the list beneath. This is a great way of ensuring that these individual members get full access to the meetings and the tasks associated to this meeting series. Once I've compiled the list, I can toggle on the ability for the meeting members to also have the ability to create new meetings. And at the top right-hand corner, I can create a new meeting for this meeting series.